What's up everyone? Welcome back to Yuzi's channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So today's video is super exciting. I'm going to try to do a look inspired by one of the characters from Sailor Moon. Yay! Oh my god, Sailor Moon is my favorite anime from all time. I've been watching this anime since I was 4 or 5, and then the best part of this anime is when those little middle schoolers transform into the Sailor Guardians and fight the evil aliens. Loved it so much. And the reason why I want to do this video is because I got this outfit during a special sale. Ta-da! So this is a classic print, I don't know how you can call it, like a bodysuit, but it's only up top. It's made by Marine Serre, and then you see this little moon print. Super trendy nowadays. And when I see this black and red moon print, I immediately thought about the Dark Lady. If you have seen the anime, you know who I'm talking about. Is the Chibiusa when she got influenced by the dark crystal, and then she immediately grew up from a little girl. I think she was like 6 or 7 maybe, and then she grew up into a woman and got this dark power. I'll put the picture right here if you have never seen it, but amazing, one of my favorite scenes from the anime series, and I think you can definitely find that episode in season 2. Another reason why I'm doing this is because I think the past weekend YouTube upload a bunch of Sailor Moon anime, and I actually found one anime film that's free with ads. So if you guys have time, you want to check out what the Sailor Moon anime is about, you can definitely start by watching that Sailor Moon special film. Anyhow, without further ado, let's get right into today's transformation, and please stay tuned to the end because I've got a surprise for you. So today I'm trying to transform into the Dark Lady but do a guy version of it. Okay, contact lenses are in. First I'm going to put on BDL Lumilayer Prime Lumilayer Primer. 1, 2. My face is primed. As always, I'm going to use my Suaso CC cushion.
A few moments later.
Man, I think when I was younger, internet, like streaming on internet wasn't even a thing. So we had to actually purchase VCD or DVD, and then you know, each disc only has like 2 or 3 episodes. So when I was young, I definitely did not get to watch all of the episodes. But when I entered high school, I just remember one summer I didn't have anything to do. So what I did instead was I streamed the whole 5 or 4 seasons and did like binge watching. It was so great. It's always the best when you catch up with the shows and anime that you were not allowed or you didn't get to watch when you were younger. Okay, next I'm trying to do my eyebrows. I'm not gonna do crazy heavy eyebrows, so I'm only going to use Glossier Boy Brows. Just want to enhance my brow shape and try to give a little bit extra colors. For concealer today, I'm going to use this concealer from NARS. This is the color Light 2.2. So the area I want to highlight are my nose, cheekbones, and then above my eyebrows, forehead, just a tiny little bit. it's time to contour, and then for contouring product, I always go for Fenty Beauty's contour stick in the color of amber. And since this is a anime inspired character, I'm trying to create a slightly more dramatic look. As you can see, I focus on my nose, the side of my face, a little bit on the jaw. Okay, now let's blend. Oh, by the way, I actually cleaned my beauty blender the other day because I had nothing to do, obviously, quarantine at home. And I have to say, before it was all covered with foundations and different colors. Now it's like super clean. And you know, a lot of people, they don't believe in beauty blenders because they think, you know, like a $20 sponge is just too overpriced. I mean, I agree, but the nice thing about a good quality sponge is that you can always clean it and then use it over and over, so it will actually last you a pretty long time. I think that's actually the design concept behind it. Alrighty, since a Sailor Guardian is this magical female warrior, they always look the best when they're ready to fight evils. So today I'm trying to use 3 different kind of highlighter, trying to give myself the ultimate natural glow, but it's also going to be very, how do you say it, blinding? I don't know. You know what I mean? So normally I focus on the cheekbones, nose bridge, and maybe a little bit on the forehead. But I also want to try something right here. And the second highlighter I'm going to use is from Fenty, and this is the Diamond Bond 2. Unlike the Diamond Bond 1, this has more of a reddish gradient. Use my finger. And the next thing I'm going to use is actually a setting powder. This is the translucent crystal powder from NARS. I know this is not really a highlighter, but this setting powder is amazing. I mean, I'm not sure if you guys can see, it's translucent but has a sheer and pearl texture to it. So I'm going to use this gigantic brush. I cleaned this brush the other day as well. Just take a decent amount of product right here and lightly brush it. So it definitely will tune the highlighter down a little bit, but then the blurry effect of translucent powder is actually pretty nice. Wait, you guys, it's actually 5:58. I have a class at 6. I completely forgot about it. So I guess I have to go take my online class right now and come back in 3 hours. I'll see you guys in a bit. So I'm bringing you into my classroom, which is actually my living room, just my little table. Have to sit there for another 3 hours. Oh man, wish me luck. Now I'm on mute. And I'm hungry, so I'm going to make a pizza. Pizza! Pizza's done. Time to cut.
Eventually.
Okay, I'm back. Turn on the light. Your Sailor Guardian is back, okay? It's now 9:38. 3 hours, almost 4 hours of class. Here's a check-in with my face and makeup. As you can see, it's It's pretty good. I'm going to, you know, before we paused, I've had 2 highlighter, 1 translucent powder. I'm actually going to add another layer of Diamond Bond. This is Diamond Bond number 1, edition 1. And then the only difference with the new edition is that the new edition has a neon glow, reddish tone kind of glow, but these guys has pure silver kind of like diamonds. Oh, by the way, if I look bloated right now, it's because in the middle of my closet I had a pizza. You probably saw the footage. And yeah, let's get right into the eye makeup. In fact, this is the perfect time to use my SailorMoon collab with ColorPop this palette. I've never used this palette in my videos before. This palette is called Pretty Guardians, and the first color we should use as base, I think it's this one, the Moon Castle. Here's my favorite brush from MAC. Okay, after our base color, add a little bit of this purplish tone. This is also my first time actually ever to try and use Jeffree Star's palette on Bloodlust, since there's this really pretty red color. And then I think I also want to try to add this pinkish glitter color right here and see how it will go. Same brush. Since this is going to be the darker color, I'm not going to clean or swap. Got a decent amount of pigment. Wow, this red, it's like super intense. I only added a little bit, doing it very carefully because I don't want it to be super dramatic, but... So to add some highlight parts, I'm going to use this color called the Trail. And then I'm going to use a clean finger, just press into this pink. You know what, I don't think this is evil enough. So I'm going to add a little bit of this black. It has a pink and purplish glitter tone. I'm scared. You guys, this is definitely transforming my look. I definitely changed from an innocent, you know, Sailor Guardian into a evil evil villain. Some glitter. So I'm going to use this color. It's actually called, oh my god, it's called Silver Millennium. So for my lips, I'm gonna go for a pink purplish tone with a glossy finish. I'm going to use, this is my favorite formula from 3CE. This is the Velvet Slim Lipstick in the color of, oh, this is the color Go Get It. On top of that, I'm going to use this lip gloss from Chanel, Okie dokie, to give my lips the ultimate glossy texture. I'm going to use my all-time favorite Glossier lip gloss. This time I'm going to use just my regular eyeliner. Okay, just because I'm done with this doesn't mean that this video is going to end here. Now it's the real surprise. Ladies and gentlemen, behold. So here's the complete look. I actually got the pink wig during last year's Halloween, kept it because I loved the color, I loved the quality of this wig. And this prop, this is actually for Sailor Neptune. She is my favorite Sailor Guardian. So if you have never watched Sailor Moon before, I highly encourage you to take a look at it. Watch honestly any episode. They're just so good. It's full of love, laughter, humor. And yeah, if you have anything to share with me, please comment down below. Subscribe to Chibiusa's channel and hit the like button. Bye!
Ever since the day that you